Guys, there's a little update again. Bunch of heavy rain today. See that? It's a bunch of rain. Are you serious? There has to be a bunch of rain today? You guys probably don't care about the rain, but like, seriously, how has it been raining? Also, while we're here in this terrible, terrible rain, if you should see over there in the white, there's actually a camper right over there. I will actually show you if it stops raining. You know, so yeah, if it stops. Here it is in my room. Oh, my dogs. Another one of my dogs. This is what it looks like from this window. Yeah, see? You can see the camper a little bit better from this window. Yeah. Little updates on my video. Raining. Keeps raining. You know. I don't know why. It's not supposed to be raining. Alright. Peace.